How can you transfer the contacts from iPad to iPhone through Bluetooth or like other over-the-air methods? Let me explain that. Now, if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually more ways how you can do this. Of course, you probably know that you can enable the iCloud synchronization in the settings, your profile, and iCloud. And if you enable the contacts syncing, then it will appear on both your iPhone and other devices like iPad or whatever you have. We also have it turned on, right? So that would be like one thing. Outside of that, if you really want to share it over the Bluetooth, you can get an application which is called Export Contacts. This is what it looks like, and you can just get inside, like select the format in which you want to export it. So the V card is the like official contacts format, which can be read by all of the other, like even a third-party contacts application, or you can also export it in the Excel or CSV spreadsheet, right? But let's say I'm going to pick the V card. I'm going to just export it through my iPad like that. And I will have the ability to just wait it out a little bit, right? As usual, perhaps you might get an ad or something, but after it gets exported, you will have the ability to share it to other devices and other people, right? And over the Bluetooth, you want to use the AirDrop method, right? So that would be useful if you want to do it this way, right? So you just click on AirDrop and share it through the Bluetooth and like Wi-Fi, but even without the internet to your iPhone or any other device. Or you can also just share it through any of the other methods which are available to you right now. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.